Struggling with dry and rosacea skin? Me too. And watch this video as I show you my exact skincare routine using a coconut oil sugar scrub to help relieve dry skin and to help moisturize and nourish rosacea, something I've been using for the last 11 years. Plus, I'm going to share insights from a couple different naturopaths recommend using coconut oil for dry skin and rosacea, and the supplement that I've started taking a couple months ago that's actually helping my skin from the inside out.
We're called Things Skin Clinic. Pure cold pressed coconut oil is what I recommend to all of my patients who come with dryness of skin. Yes, I'm a dermatologist and I recommend pure cold pressed coconut oil because I think it is the best natural and the most versatile oil that one can use, not just for skin but also for hair and nails. Now let me tell you how it helps, okay? Let's begin with the skin. The first thing that coconut oil does is it repairs our skin barrier function.
Seen here is an organic cold pressed virgin coconut oil, so it has all the vitamins and nutrients for the skin, and that is the vitamin that I've been taking the last couple of months. Has significantly helped reduce the redness of my rosacea. So together they're working from the inside and the outside to help the skin to repair itself. According to Dr. Axe, a naturopath, said that research reveals that virgin coconut oil improves the symptoms of skin disorders by moisturizing and soothing the skin. It also protects the skin by enhancing skin barrier function. He also goes on to say, in part, it's due to the saturated fats that helps the skin stay moisturized, with the fat preventing moisture loss through the skin's pores. These fats give the skin a healthy, smooth, and even tone. It might be tempting to avoid moisturizing your skin if you have oily, red, or sensitive patches and are also prone to breakouts, but a non-chemical and naturally antibacterial skin moisturizer like coconut oil can provide essential acids to the skin without causing breakouts or further irritations. Hope you found this content to be helpful, especially if you have dry rosacea skin like I do. If you're curious on how to use this coconut oil method to take your makeup off at the end of the day, watch this video next where I do that exact thing, and I've been using it every single day for the last 11 years, including for my waterproof mascara, which works like a charm.